In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect RingCentral in Gohighlevel. We'll be doing this directly inside your Gohighlevel account using the app marketplace. And the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. If you're following along, it helps to have access to both platforms beforehand so you can move through the setup without interruptions. Start by opening Gohighlevel and logging into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main navigation menu, and it's where you'll find the tools and settings needed for integrations like this one. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This is the area where you can browse and install third-party apps and integrations that work with your Gohighlevel account. After the marketplace opens, move to the search bar so you can quickly find the app you need instead of scrolling through the full list. In the search bar, type in RingCentral. As you type, the matching result should appear in the marketplace. Once you see RingCentral show up, click on it to open the app details page. This page usually gives you the option to begin the installation and may also provide a little more information about the connection. Next, click on Install. This starts the setup flow inside Gohighlevel. After that, you'll be prompted to move forward, so click Continue. This takes you to the permission stage, which is a normal part of connecting apps. At this point, Gohighlevel is preparing to link with RingCentral and may ask for approval so the two systems can work together properly. When you see the permission screen, click Allow and Install. This confirms the connection and completes the installation process. Once that's done, Gohighlevel should finish linking the app to your account. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's completely normal, so just give it a moment. Also, make sure you're installing the correct RingCentral app result in the marketplace before confirming, especially if you manage multiple tools and integrations. And that's it. You've now connected RingCentral in Gohighlevel through the app marketplace. It's a quick setup, but each click matters, so taking it step by step helps avoid mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.